குட் மார்னிங். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்குறது வந்து 11th economics is most important author Adam Smith. Who is the Adam Smith? Adam Smith is a father of economics. Adam Smith's definition is wealth is a small word. All definition is a small word for wealth definitions. Wealth means selva ilakkanam, Tamil meaning selva ilakkanam. Adam Smith on 1723 on 1790 in this book an inquiry into nature and causes of wealth of nation. What do you mean by wealth of nation? Wealth of nation mean நாடுகளின் செல்வம். Is Adam Smith definitions wealth. So wealth of nation is most important topic for in this book. Economics as the science of wealth. Economics as the science of wealth. Science related to the economic wealth is a different thought is created. He was explained how a nation's wealth is created and increased. New thought is created by the increased. He is considered that the individual in the society wants to promote. Individual society wants to the promote is a most important. What do you mean by individual society? Individual society means is a individual persons is a family members is a mingle to the society. So wants to promote. Wants means humans is a different wants is a created persons. So wants is a fulfill is a different. I will like the biscuit of 50-50. Other persons like the biscuit of Britannia. Is a wants is a different. Is a society for the fulfill the my wants. Any individual person or wants is a individual person's wants is a promoted won't gain in the process is gain lead by the invisible hands. Individual person's wants is completed is a other person is a invisible hands. Okay, individual person's wants completed with the other persons is a invisible hands is a push பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு விஷயம் is most important. Smith favors the introductions of division of labor. Smith favors of the introductions division of labor. What do you mean by division of labor? Tamil meaning வேலை பகுப்பு முறை. Division of labor. Division of labor is a benefit of to increase the quantum of output. Is what do you mean by the example? I will stitch in the shirt is only one tailor is stitching the shirt for the day. 2 or 3 shirts, one shirts is completed. But shirt stitching is a different persons cutting, stitching, button, completed, ironing is a different persons is a completed for the 100 shirts for day. One person stitching shirt for the 2-3 shirts or 5-6-10 persons is a completed for the 100 shirts is a division of labor is a best example. Okay, to increase the quantum of output, one person is stitching in the output for the 2 shirts, but 10% is a division of labor thought is work out for the work is a quantum of output is released. Okay, several competition the factory society help bettering in the product. Several competition in factoring and the society help in bettering of the product is a different division of labor is a completed the better productions for the person to the other persons created. Is a competition, several competition, other competitions is a fulfill to the consumers wants. Is a consumers wants is a fulfill to the bettering the product is the better impress to the product for the consumer. Last point பாருங்க, supply force is very active to the consumer at the lower price. Supply means அளிப்பு or supply is force very active the consumer the lowest price. Increased the supply is demand is a low between the consumer at the lowest price for the product. Okay, இது wealth definitions. Wealth definitions means is a wealth of nations. Is Adam Smith workout of that topic division of labor to help to the increase the quantum of output. Okay, it is a definition, is a criticism for the other persons. Adam Smith definition is a criticism for other persons. Continue for the next topic. Thank you. Good morning. Adam Smith definitions means wealth. Okay, wealth definition is a criticism for the any authors. Okay, what is a criticism? Economists consider the wealth getting activities. Only for economic wealth is not important for the welfare, scarcity, any other resources is not relevant for the human activities. Only for wealth is not economic considered the wealth. Economics is a considered wealth one side, another side for the welfare is not important to the wealth getting activities and wealth spending the activities. Tamil meaning செல்வத்தை திரட்டுதல், செல்வத்தை செலவிடுதல் is not important to the wealth getting, wealth spending, relevant to the activities for the wealth. Okay, economics considered wealth getting activities, the wealth spending the activities, and unto the imposes given the material wealth. Wealth means materials, humans materials is used to the wealth. Wealth is treated to be the and itself. Wealth is important, not most important to the human's activities. It views leads to the ignore the human the welfare. Adam Smith is a ignore the welfare is important for the wealth. Okay, is a difference. Wealth means selvam, welfare means nalam, is not human welfare, is not Adam Smith not important to the human welfare. ஒரு வெல்ஃபேர், ஒரு ஹியூமன் வெல் பர்சன்ஸாக இருக்கும் போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காகவே ஐ வில் கலெக்டிவ் த மணி அதர்ஸ் த எனி ஏஜஸ் இஸ் நாட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் வெல்த். இட் வியூஸ் இஸ் எசென்சியல் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த எக்கனாமிக்ஸ், இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் த வெல்த், இஸ் நாட் இக்னோர் த வெல்ஃபேர். Smith gives his definitions when religious, spiritual values are the held high. Smith's definition is released stages for the 1776 as stages for the world period of time. Religious is most important, the spiritual is a high importance period. It is now only for the thought created the wealth. Wealth is a most important points of the Adam Smith thought. Adam Smith is not important to the welfare. It is a ignore to the authors is a Adam Smith definitions. Ruskin Corley is regard the economic as a dismal science or the dark science. What do you mean dismal science, dark science? Dismal science is a இருண்ட அறிவியல் அப்படி சொல்கிறதா. அப்படி பார்க்கும்போது ஆடம் ஸ்மித்தோட டெஃபினிஷன் இஸ் எ dismal science as a dark science, is not important the welfare material activities, only for the wealth material activities, not important the human welfare. Humans is a most important persons to the country, is not relevant to the country as a persons, is religions to the religions, is the value, the spiritual value of the considerations. Okay, it teaches the selfness of which is the against ethics. It is a ethics. Wealth is a ethics, selfness. Individual person is a wealth important is most important. All society is important for the welfare. Is a teach economics definition is selfness which is the against ethics. Ethics is a thought. Ethics is not relevant to the country's persons. Thank you.